Hi, my name is Gary Gwilliam, and I've written a book. I've written a book about my life. It's called Getting a Winning Verdict in My Personal Life, A Trial Lawyer Finds His Soul. Why did I write a book? Well, you know, I've lived a colorful and interesting life. I've been a good boy and a gang member, a true high school gang member in the 50s. Not many people did that. I became a prosecutor, prosecuting people for things I did as a gang member. I went to Bolt Hall Law School and was one of the young Republicans. When all my friends were left, I was right. And then I drank for 25 years, and guess what? When I quit drinking, I became a progressive. So I've been a right-wing Republican and a left-wing progressive. And I've been a hard-drinking trial lawyer, totally out of touch with myself or who I was, and I've developed into what I believe to be an honest, soulful, and spiritual man. So I've seen both sides of a lot of things, and that's why I wrote my book, because I thought it would be interesting. Secondly, I wrote my book because I wanted to talk honestly about things that we lawyers have trouble with in our profession, losses. I start my book with a story about a difficult case that I tried. Lawyers don't like to talk about losses, but we have them. We all have losses. And maybe by my talking about my losses a little bit, you'll learn something. You can learn from my book about the mistakes I made, about my drinking, about my being in the fast lane, about my losing touch with my soul. And you can learn about redemption and how I found it. But I'll tell you another thing. Writing a story about your life is something I would recommend all of you. It's something that will help you give insight and understanding to your life. When you're forced to sit down and look at your life from beginning to end, you see your life like a road map. There's places where you've got detours, curves in the road, roadblocks, and those things happen again and again. And when you lay out your life like it were a road map, and you look at the beginning and the end, and you find out where you are today, guess what? You can have a pretty good idea of the issues you're going to face again, and hopefully how you can negotiate that road in a better fashion. So I hope you'll take some time to read my book, because I'm going to be talking to you about it now and in some of my other chats with you. Okay? Thanks.